Hey guys, Ronald here. If you have this problem of dislodge holder of a frame of your aircon, the frame was put for aesthetics purposes, but the screw has been dislodged. So we're going to fix it. So let's remove it. Okay, so we're going to put back this one, this part. I'm going to put a new tox. Then we'll screw in to make it fixed. Okay, it's very sturdy now, so I hope you like the idea, and thank you for watching, and see you on our next video. Bye bye.